let's get some freediving going.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Nice.
Yeah!
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stefano and I talk to you guys about self-improvement, health and wellness, and I'm your guinea pig, which means that I go through the motions and show you the experiences and do the research so that you guys can benefit from the things that I do for your everyday life. So I got a very special video for you guys today. I'm going to be doing some free diving, also what is called apnea, and I want to show you guys what a magical experience it could actually be for your health. In fact, it's one of my favorite activities for finding peace and using the elements of nature to be in tune and meditate with myself.
Off the bone, we've been like this for most of our lives now. Be my aeroplane, be my lost control. Be my doublemint, be my empty bowl.
Alright guys, so we're at Le Roque Rosse. This is a really nice spot where a lot of scuba diving schools take their students to do snorkeling, to teach them how to scuba dive, as well to do some free diving, because the water is super clear here. And it's between the Cinque Terre and Porto Venere, which is just at the end of this kind of cliff area over here. So we're going to do our free diving here. So maybe I'll quickly explain the gear that I'm using. I just have some snorkeling goggles or some apnea goggles. Then I have some nose plugs. These are very, very useful if you want to equalize without using your hands. I'm still a beginner, so I haven't learned the kind of advanced equalizing methods, so I'm just going to be using this for now. And then your fins. Of course, you want to have your fins so that it's effortless swimming. You can go further down faster without using any oxygen. So how does freediving work? The basics are you want to hold your breath, of course, take a dive, and then go down, equalize as you go down. So you want to start off by really floating on the surface, relaxing your breath, taking what are called tidal breaths. These are really simple breaths like we're doing, you and me right now. And then once you feel relaxed and you're ready, you want to take in a deep breath. So you want to take it through your belly first, and then you fill in your lungs, take as much air as possible. And then what you will do is you will do a duck dive. So while facing down into the water, of course you have your snorkel to breathe. You will push with your fins just a little bit so you have some horizontal momentum. And then you will duck your head in, which will then allow your body to follow, and the weight of your body will then bring you into the water. So you want to make sure is that your feet get into the water so that you can start finning. Once you're in the water, you start finning, you go down at your own ease, but you have to make sure to equalize. It's super important to equalize, or else you can really hurt your temples and your ears. So just I guess for beginners, the best way to do is the Valsalva method. It's just you pinch your nose and you try to blow air out of your nose, so it looks like this. By that, you will hear your ears pop. When you hear your ears pop, that means that they've equalized. So you want to do this every 2 to 5 meters, depending on every person, it's different. And you don't want to push it. You don't want to go further down into the water, into the depths, unless you've equalized. It could be really bad for your ears. All right, so those are the basics. Let's get some free diving going. The beautiful thing about freediving is that you need tremendous focus. You work on breathing and staying calm under stress. It teaches a lot about yourself, and the world that you enter provides you with perspective that you cannot get anywhere else. It puts you in tune with yourself and the environment. The deeper you go underwater, the quieter it gets. But quiet places can speak loudly when you slow down enough to listen. It can be fearful at times to be underwater for so long, but it is in that fear and within that breath that we most connect with the earth. I find that the vastness and silence of the ocean allows me to escape from that loudness and chaos of the surface. I feel like a sense of discovery and adventure is reborn within me every time I break the surface for a dive. It sometimes feels like another planet, or floating in an unknown world somewhere in outer space. So there you go, guys. We just did some free diving. We did it in 2 different spots around the Golfo dei Poeti, which is this Golfo behind me right here. I also just want to mention that this place is super magical, which is why I always come back here. You know, you have this clash of 2 worlds. You know, you have the mountains in the back, and then you have the ocean coming down. So here I do a lot of climbing, and I do a lot of diving or free diving. I know it's kind of hard to be able to find a place like this to be able to do some free diving. However, you can do this as well in a pool. So if you're close to a sports center or you have a pool close to you, you can also do this type of free diving, you know, or the meditating that goes with the free diving. Basically sit at the bottom with some bit of weight that holds you down. You do the same kind of breath work I showed you, and by doing that you can also kind of take advantage of this type of meditation, this type of free diving. So there you go. Please leave some comments. You know, I read all your comments as always. Please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button if you want to see more videos or get notified whenever videos come out. They come out every week. And please give me a message, a personal message if you want to talk to me or anything. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. So see you guys.